Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Quail Cove by KB Homes here in a highly desired Summerlin. Now in this video, we are going to be touring their largest floor plan, which is going to be the 2302, so stick around. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Abello with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new build communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're looking to move to Las Vegas, or if you like looking at new home build tours, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. Welcome to Quail Cove by KB Homes. This is their newest community here in Las Vegas. Now, just to give you an idea of where we're located, we're here in Summerlin, guys, highly desired area. So the way you get here is you take, if you're on the 215, you exit on Lake Mead. Okay, now this area is really up and coming, guys. You have a bunch of new communities coming out here. A lot of the new builds are going to be like 3-story homes, so you're definitely going to feel it's going to be more of like a city vibe, especially with the urban core being built not too far away. They're definitely trying to make this kind of like a downtown Summerlin. You're going to have like nice tall houses, and it's going to definitely feel like the city. But at the same time, Red Rock is still pretty close. Okay, so Quail Cove offers 4 different floor plans I will have on the screen. Now, they offer floor plans ranging from 1651 all the way up to 2302 square feet. These are all going to be 3-story homes, okay? With the base prices ranging from $469,990 all the way up to $534,990. Now, guys, when you're looking at the base price, just know that the lot premiums and upgrades are not included, so you have to add that, okay? Now, as far as the lot premiums here, it really depends. What I was told is the lot premiums are ranging from about $2,000 all the way up to $49,000. It really depends on the lot. Some of these lots are going to have 5-foot driveways. Other lots are going to be corner lots with full driveways, which is going to be 19-foot driveways, okay? As far as what they're doing here, they are doing mainly building from dirt lot, okay? So KB, that's their specialty. When they buy a house, they want them to pick out all the options. So most of their homes, you can expect like a 6 to 8 month build time. Now, they do have a couple of quick move-in homes. Now, with KB, the quick move-in homes are not as quick as other builders. The quick move-in homes here are going to be about like 5 months, okay? A couple things about the community you guys should know. HOA is $95 a month. You have the master plan, which is $60 a month. And then you have the SID assessment, which is going to be $240 that you pay every 6 months, okay? Now, the balance for the SID is going to be $7,800. These lots, they don't have a backyard, okay? So in case you were hoping for a small backyard, this community may not be for you. Yeah, let's get started with the tour. Welcome everyone to the largest floor plan in this community. This is going to be the 2302. Now, this is a 3-story, 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2.5 to 3.5 bath, 2-car garage, and the base price as of today is $534,990. Okay, so take a look. Very nice. Got that modern look to it. Okay, paver driveway is included. You're gonna get some of this desert landscaping as well. Okay, so let's definitely check it out. Here, before we get started, I just want to show you this area real quick. So as you can see, a lot of dirt lots, other communities. A lot of the other communities are going to be 3-story homes as well. He also got KB Nighthawk community right up there. Those are the 2-story homes. Okay. So yeah, let's get this tour started. So you're going to have this 8-foot door. Something that's really cool about this community, actually, is you're going to get 9-foot ceilings standard on all floors. Okay, so no need to upgrade. Door to your garage. We have the coat closet. Right here we have your linen closet. You're going to get a bedroom downstairs. This is going to be standard. Now, the bedroom downstairs is only going to be standard if you're getting the 2 larger floor plans. So it's either the 2226 or the 2302. Okay, so they also offer the floor plan 1651 and the 1920. But if you wanted the bedroom downstairs, that would be about an $8,000 upgrade. So, you know, that's something to consider. So we got the transfer grill up there. Okay, 2-panel doors. Now, when you get into your house and you build from lot up, just know none of these lights or the pre-wire for the ceiling fan will be included. So you would just have to do that. Okay, so welcome to the closet. All right. So it looks like we got the optional cabinets, countertop. So of course, guys, you know, when you're looking at model homes, of course, they're gonna have quite a bit of upgrades. Okay. So yeah, the tile surround here is gonna be an upgrade. Otherwise, normally you're gonna get the shower tub combo. Okay. Now, as far as flooring is concerned, because flooring is one of the main upgrades buyers will do. What's standard is you would have the 17 by 17 ceramic tiles, which would only be in the wet areas, and then you'd have carpet all throughout the house. So these type of tiles right here, these are like the 24 by 24, so these are optional tiles. Okay, so here's your coat closet. So yeah, let's take a look upstairs. So immediately right up here, you're gonna have the powder room. So this is gonna be your guest room, bathroom. Okay, pedestal, sink, toilet. So these are standard. This hardware, the black hardware, is optional. Of course, this wall is not standard as well. All right, so check this out. It's very open right here. Okay, so I feel like this is gonna be where most of the square footage is in the house. I really love that they have 9-foot ceilings in every floor. It just makes everything feel so much more spacious. Okay, so welcome to the beautiful kitchen. I like their design actually. It's simple yet it's very clean. Okay, so as far as standards go when it comes to the kitchen, the standard materials you'll have is granite. And then for the cabinets, standard here will be 42-inch cabinets, but it'll be like the maple color. So if you're looking to get like white shaker style cabinets with these black pulls, that is optional. Okay, check out this really large pantry. Okay, really good sized pantry. So we also got the optional backsplash on there as well. Now, as far as appliances go, refrigerator, washer, and dryer are not included. Okay, but you will get the oven, stovetop, the dishwasher. So yeah, again, countertop is you're gonna have granite with a 4-inch backsplash. So you have like 2 or 3 selections of granite, and then the backsplash is gonna come to right about right there. Okay, the 42-inch maple, which I told you. So you'll have a stainless steel undermount sink. Now this is the matte black sink. Okay, so that is optional. So very nice. So we got this really nice balcony right over here. So like this, you're gonna have nice large size windows all throughout. So definitely you're gonna have a lot of natural light come in. Okay. This balcony is gonna be really cool. I can't get in. But yeah, with these homes like in this area, you know, if like you live in the city right now and you kind of like that urban city feel. So yeah, this area that's how they're going to make this area. I know there's a lot of buyers though who do not want 3-story homes, but at the same time, there are other people who wouldn't mind it. And 3-story homes are actually good if you plan on renting out the other bedrooms, right? Because I feel like they're pretty separate. So you'll have your own space. So here's the laundry room. Okay, it's gonna be all the way in the top floor. Sure, your smart panel box will be here as well. Yes. Okay. You're gonna have your Cat 6 cables, your coax cables. It's how you set up your internet router, your modem. Okay. Now welcome to the primary bedroom. Right now, if you are interested in this home or just any new build community and you're thinking about stopping by, do me a favor, give me a call, shoot me a text. I'd be glad to go with you on your very first visit. But if you're working with a realtor, that's all good too. At least let your realtor know that you're interested in new builds. I'll let them go with you on your very first visit. The one thing you don't want to do is you don't want to just go by yourself, and because if you go by yourself and the builder agents get your name, your email, and your phone number, they won't let you have agent representation down the road. And you definitely want representation because the builder agents, they look after the builder's best interests, but we look after yours, okay? So we negotiate for you. We hold the builders accountable. We walk you through the process. So, definitely get yourself some representation. So this is the primary bath. But let me see here. As far as the primary bath, what standard is you will have a walk-in shower with quartz surround. Okay. But this is this type of quartz, this type of shower is upgraded along with the matte black sink, the faucets, and all of that. Okay, so you have your little toilet room. And then right over here, you're gonna have your 2 guest bedrooms. You also have your full bath right here. So I believe you can upgrade to have 2 sinks. Otherwise, you'll just have like 1 sink. I believe that's standard. Okay, pretty decent sized rooms. I'd say these are 10 by 11s. But because it's 9-foot ceilings, it feels a lot more spacious. We got this right here. So we do have a linen closet right here. And then this is your other bedroom. All right. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of the plan, of this floor plan. And if you have any questions, concerns, shoot me a text, give me a call. Till then, I'll catch you guys next video.